welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you just a few things I picked up for the Christmas season and kind of what direction I'm going with Christmas this year. And then I'll have a couple questions for you. I'm going to start by showing you what I've got. And I'm going to start with this plate. So this plate, believe it or not, came from Dollar Tree. And it was only like $1.50. I mean, I believe this is very similar to a Pottery Barn plate that people like. And then there was also a smaller plate that complemented it. And I did do a short on going into Dollar Tree. I've been doing my shopping shorts instead of doing like full-length videos. I've been doing shorts. And anyways, this plate was a steal. Now I could have gotten, you know, place settings, but to be honest, the only time I really set my table, I try to set it on Christmas morning to make it really nice. But we don't do like a formal dinner or anything like that, so I really don't need to set a big table. So I just got one of these and I left the rest of them for everybody else. And then the next thing I purchased was this ceramic tree, and I'm going to be using this in my bookshelf. I just purchased a bookshelf from IKEA that I have in my kitchen now, and I thought this would be a nice complement to this. They had 3 different sizes, I believe. They had a bigger one and they had a smaller one, and I just purchased the middle size one. So this one was $9.99 on sale. And then I got this little tree here to complement it, and it does turn on and light up. You can see that it lights up. This is from Bullseye's Playground in Target, so I think I'm going to put the 2 of those together. And then oh, the other thing that I got at Hobby Lobby that I want to show you is these lights. They're Touch of Light lights. These lights are awesome. They are battery operated. I use them in my tier trays, and I use them on my mantle. And this is the 3rd pack I've picked up. They are battery operated, but they are awesome. They're glass. They're not plastic. They're glass, and you can move them. It's a flexible wire that they're on. That's what I'm trying to say. And they have a warm glow to them. They're just really pretty, and I just really like them. So I had to get another pair of those, another set of those, I should say. If you go into Hobby Lobby, you go right in the door. There's like right kind of at the end of the opening, when you first walk in, there is a light display there that has all sorts of different lights, and that's where you find them. At least unless they've moved it. I don't know that they've moved it, but the last time I was in there, that's where I found them. Okay, so now I kind of want to talk a little bit about my tree. And I really love the color blue. And a couple years ago, I did a tree that was, it was like all blue and white. And I did it, I'm going to say I did it 3 years ago. And then I might have been a little bit, it didn't really go over very well. And that's okay. But like the next year, it was all blue and white. So, and I'd gone back to traditional red. But I have a burgundy ribbon in my tree, and I really liked that. That's what I did last year. So I'm going to do similar this year, but I've added a couple things. I bought this ribbon here. This is like a tartan, and it has that Ralph Lauren look to it. And I'm going to add this into the tree to give it a little bit of a Ralph Lauren look, like I said. And it's gold and blue and green, and it's really pretty. And we're just going to tuck that in with the burgundy that I already have on the tree and also on my mantle, I think. So I purchased 2 of these. They were a little expensive. They came from a shop called Blueberry Lane, which I can link it for you below. I'm not affiliated with them or anything. I just purchased it there, so I'll just put the link down in the description if you're interested in that. What was the other thing I got? Oh, and then I got a burgundy ribbon. This is My Texas House from Walmart. And it actually is showing up more red than it actually is. It's actually more of a burgundy. It's a deeper color than this, than it's showing up on camera. So I got this at Walmart, and it's, you know, again, it has the wire. Like if you're doing a tree, you really want to get the wire ribbon because you can move it more easily that way. And then this one is also wired too. So I think these together, along with the burgundy ribbon that I already have, plus all the ornaments and stuff, and the gold beading that I have, is going to look real nice together. But because I love blue, I decided to add some blue to that. And I'm going to pop up some pictures right now. As a matter of fact, there are 3 or 4 different style trees that I was really inspired by on Pinterest and on Instagram this year. So I'm just going to kind of pop those up while I'm talking to you. But because I love blue so much, and I have so much blue in my house, it's kind of hard to just come back to this back room and be like, boom, red and green. So really what I wanted to do was I wanted to incorporate some of the blue into that. And I've been so excited to see the blue with the red and the green and the gold for Christmas. So as you're looking at the pictures that I'm putting up that I've looked at that are my inspiration, I'm going to show you what I got at Walmart. And this is in the area where they have all the hanging ornaments. So I got these blue ornaments here, and they look older. I don't know if you can see that. They look kind of weathered here. And these are in the aisle where they're like $2, two something. And they're heavy. They're actually glass. They're not plastic. So we'll have to be careful with them. But I thought they were great. I got this one. I only got 2 of these because I have some blue ornaments already. I just have to locate them. I know I have them. So I didn't want to buy a whole bunch. I just wanted to kind of, you know, tweak a little bit, like I said, with my tree. And then here's, so I bought 2 of these. So, I mean, I don't know if you can imagine this, but I'm going to be doing this. And then there's gold, of course, and there's the traditional red ornaments that I have. And, you know, just the little special ones that we have every year that belong to our family. And so that's kind of my idea this year for my shelf and my tree. And I hope to be getting those out to you within the next couple weeks. And then I do have a question. Actually, I might do the shelf today. I don't know. We'll see if I add that onto this video or not. I do have a question, and that is, I do tier trays. And people like the trays that I do. I think they're a really fun way to decorate. And I also think they're a great way to decorate if you don't have a lot of room in your home. They're just kind of a small little contained holiday display. So I want to know if you would like to see a gingerbread tray, or if I can pull it off, I'm thinking of, can I do like a Ralph Lauren style tray? Let me know what you think if you're interested in seeing any of those. Okay, so that's everything I got. I really tried to just keep the price down this year. I was really happy to find this plate, and the tartan ribbon was something that I really liked, that I was glad I got. And so anyways, I wanted to show you what I got. I wanted to kind of give you an idea of my plans and what I'm doing. And yeah. Oh, I have something else I want to show you. I got to show you these lights. Hang on. So when you pick things up here and there, you forget what you got. And I purchased these lights that I'm going to put. I also have a flocked tree that I have in my front area of my house. And I purchased these lights. They're white, obviously wire. And they have kind of like a diamond cut look to them. And I purchased them, here's the box. Here's the box. I'm going to plug them in and show them to you. But I purchased these from a place called Bronners in Frankenmuth, Michigan, which is a huge Christmas store. If you've never been there, you definitely want to check it out. Okay, I don't really want to undo all of this yet because I'm not ready to, but I do want to plug them in and show you how they look. Hopefully, I've got the camera angled so I can do that right. But look at those. Aren't those pretty? Look how large they are and how much light they give off. So there's 20 lights. Oops, it's coming out of the plug. There we go. Because I'm pulling it out. Look how pretty that is. And it just gives kind of like a diamond look to it. I just think it's awesome. So I'm going to be using these. Look at that. Wow. I just love that. I can't wait to see that when the room is dark and just the trees on. That's going to be awesome. So this is for my tree that I have in the front. It's a phlox tree. I have a green tree in the back that I will be doing the kind of Ralph Lauren style that I was just telling you about. But the tree that I have in the front is flocked, and pretty much all the decorations I have on it are from Hobby Lobby. They all coordinate. But I want to add these lights to it this year. So, yeah, anyways. When you pick things up here and there, you forget what you've bought. And I almost forgot to show you these, but I'm glad I didn't forget. Okay, here is my shelf. I've cleared it off from the fall stuff. The only thing that is still on here are my books, which are going to stay permanent, and then this little brie baker here. But we're going to change the rest of it up, get a Christmas theme going here, at least to start. So let's go ahead and do it. Okay, just real quick, I have to show you my beautiful, before it is gone. Look at that beautiful burning bush I have. I know it's hard to see it through the, let me see if I can. Hang on. Let me put this through here. There we go. Isn't that gorgeous? This is what I'm looking at when I eat breakfast in the morning. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, I actually shut the shades because the red was really coming in, and I think this is going to be better for video purposes. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I've got this platter, and I'm going to set this up here. Now I don't have a hang on. I think I better do this first. I don't have a plate rack in here. Hold it up. This is a candle holder. I think I got those clearance at Hobby Lobby. And I've had them in my family room by the hearth. But I think they go pretty nice there. And then I have some of my candle holders. This one I got at an antique mall. I like to go to those sometimes. I do have some videos on my channel if that's something you're interested in. And then we're going to put this one here and this one here. So we're just going to kind of have a collection of candle holders here. And I think the platter makes a nice backdrop there. You can see that. I think I need to get some of that tacky stuff. I actually think I have some. I just need to find it. And that will kind of hold that platter in place. So I need to look for that. I think I have that in my basement somewhere. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to put this. These are my little dish towels. I keep these in here in this little basket. It helps to cut down on my drawer space in my over there on my kitchen side. And it's decorative in the basket, so I like to keep those there. I'm gonna put that there, and then this is another little, this is a bottle tree. It's not little, it's a little bit bigger one. Got this a couple years ago at Hobby Lobby. So we're just gonna set that right there next to that. Ooh, that one's a little bit, sometimes the bottle trees are a little bit messy. So I have this, and then I have these two others here. These ones are a little glittery, also from Hobby Lobby. Hobby Lobby has tons of trees. They really do. So many to choose from. It's very easy to put a nice vignette together with trees from Hobby Lobby. And then, okay, so we're gonna put that there. Okay, so that's what we have so far. Okay, so this shelf here, I have these false craft platters. And again, you know, the platter I have up top, and then these, it's another functional piece for this shelf. Again, I had a lot of things just stacked up on my counters that I didn't have places for in my cupboards. And so the shelf was a solution to that. So I'm just gonna, I had these displayed differently before if you saw my fall video, but we're just gonna put them in like that. I'm gonna take the Hobby Lobby tree right here, and then I'm gonna take this other little one from Target, and I'm just gonna set them right next to each other and stack them inside those trays there. And then the last thing I'm gonna do here, I have this little stand, and I'm gonna just turn it sideways, and then I think this was a thrift find. We're just gonna put him there. So we've got a little snowman there. Okay, so where I have my books here, I'm just gonna tuck this little snowflake right there on top of that. All right, now I have my little plate from the dollar store, and I have a, you probably can't really see it very well, but I have a little plate display piece here. So we're just gonna put that there, and I'm looking at it, and I don't know, I kind of like it, but I kind of feel like I need a little bit more here. So I think I'm going to take this off, and I'm going to grab this pretty little thing that I have here, a little bit of glam in there for Christmas time. And then, let's see, I think if I set that there, that would be very nice. Okay, so for today, we're just getting started. I think I like what I've done here. I could add to this a little bit. And that's what I did there. And then I put the glam tree here. So I could put like a little doily. I could put like a little doily underneath here. Think about that. I could definitely put some greenery on here. I have some pieces of greenery downstairs. I don't have time to do that today, but I might do it in an upcoming video. And then also I need to look, I might have some nice ribbon I can tie around this. That might look nice too. But for now, this is what we've got. I'm looking for a basket to put up here. I don't want to spend a lot of money. I'm really trying not to spend too much money. And so I've been on the lookout, but they've been hard to find secondhand. All right, that's going to do it today. Don't forget to let me know if you would like to see a gingerbread tray or a Ralph Lauren style tray, or both. I would really like to know. Thank you so much for watching today.